I'm really kind of a hit or miss type of cook if it's something new that I'm doing. So when I mean a hit, it will be so good or it will be so disgusting. And I actually haven't been really good at being able to make soups. So this is gonna actually be a fun experiment. I have black eyed peas. I actually soaked these overnight and I didn't overdo it. I was gonna actually do the whole bag of the black eyed peas without. Something told me don't do that. And these are actually from like some local farm too, so they should actually taste really good. They're from South Carolina, okay? So, I mean, South Carolina's up the street. We also have some cool mushrooms. And they're portobello. Oh my God. They're portobello mushrooms. And they're really big too. And they're like heavy. They're super sturdy. I'm gonna use these as an umami. Umami. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them in the actual soup because I don't know if I'm gonna like that soggy texture, but I'm for sure gonna like the flavor. So we're gonna use this to saute to bring out the flavor of the black eyed peas and make it umami-ish. I also have some different herbs, but I gotta really think about this when it comes to the herbs. I have cilantro. Oh, okay, I have a lot of cilantro too, so I'm gonna put one of these back in the refrigerator. And I also have dill. So I have like a lot of dill and I need to use it. So I don't know if I'm just gonna do dill instead or like cilantro and dill. I don't know if that's something you can do. I'm actually gonna have to Google that one because it could end up being really weird. And like cilantro is naturally to me, I feel like I just love it, but it's like can be salty. And also dill can be salty, bring out saltiness. So we're gonna, think about that. But yeah, these herbs are over here. I just love cilantro. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And we also have spinach. I don't know if I'm gonna put the spinach in. I can imagine it getting slimy and gross and weird. And I have green garlic. And I have scallions. And I have tomatoes. And I don't even like tomatoes, but it will be good in what we're doing. I have another mushroom too. I've got a lot. I don't know how many mushrooms I'm gonna use. I gotta figure all this stuff out. You know, when you can't think, you're sick. And I have this squash. I don't know if I'm gonna use this squash. I've actually never tried this type of squash before in my life. I just decided to accidentally order it when I ordered all those groceries by accident. I ended up spending like $270 because I never edited my cart the other day on Fresh Harvest and I ended up having to buy all the stuff. So I've got a lot of great things. So I'm gonna make a video out of some of the other things I got. I got all these different butters. Anyways, let me stop talking about that. Let me see on task. That'll be something else. Okay, so now we're gonna begin. out good. Yes. Okay, the soup. Well, actually, wait. The black eyed peas are like not super like, well, they're firm. Let me taste another one. Okay, they're cooked. Because for 2 seconds there, I was like, wait a second, this is absolutely not cooked. That would be so like, well, it's an absolute no. But I'm really happy though, the mushrooms are actually not like mushy. I just knew it was gonna be mushy and slimy and disgusting, but it's not. This is such a beautiful soup. Like, it actually looks good. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I have a new recipe. Yay.